What's going on, guys? Car Review Guys here. My name's AJ, and today we're going to talk about how much does it cost for the R8 insurance at the age of 24, which is how old I am. And so without further ado, I'm going to pull it out of the garage. First, we got to go grab some lunch, and don't know where it's going to be. Maybe a little Chick-fil-A. We'll see. Let's ride. Alright guys, so real quick, before we head on over to grab some lunch, I wanted to talk about one thing. I really don't like to talk about companies in a bad way, and I really wanted to give this company, not necessarily a break, not that I'm that big, but I wanted to, on a, exotic car, give them, I guess, a chance on, a low end, as of right now, product. So, Vivid is the company that I went with for the vinyl wrap on this car, and for the most part the wrap is like okay, but on the roof line, really having some issues right on this roof, which in the last video I said was pretty good, but now after several days there's just air bubbles everywhere in this channel, and then literally this was tucked as far as you could tuck it, and I mean, if you can see, it just keeps coming out, like no matter what we do. So with that being said, I think what we're going to end up doing is we are going to wrap the roof black, and we're going to do it with KPMF, which I've heard very good things about. 3M was the other option, but I kind of like KPMF a little bit better. There's 3M on my Camaro there, which is from the factory, but anyway, we are going to rewrap it, and I'm hoping to have it at Nashville Cars and Coffee this upcoming Saturday. So if we can get it wrapped by that point, then I'll be there, and stay tuned to my Instagram, which is at the Car Review Guys, and you'll see if I'm coming to Nashville Cars and Coffee for those of you who are local. Just like that, let's go grab some lunch. Let's ride.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row, but soon enough everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and
Hey, we got some Chick-fil-A. Yeah, and in typical fashion, it's wraparound traffic, so that's awesome. Alright guys, so we're coming up to the window here, about to order my food. The only way to do it, spicy chicken sandwich, definitely what we're gonna roll with. Probably should hit the gym later for doing this, but we're probably not going to. Yeah, we're probably not going to. Maybe we will. But anyway, with that being said, let's talk for just a quick second here before they take my order about the insurance. I'll give you a quick clue, which is actually pretty crazy, staggering fact. I pay for my 2019 Chevrolet Trax. I pay almost as much for that as I do for this Audi R8 in insurance. So yeah, all right, hold on. Gotta take my order here in just 1 second. Good, man, how you doing?
Good. Can I get a name for the order?
Yeah, AJ?
Okay, what can I get for you?
I want to do a spicy chicken sandwich meal.
Okay, what's a drink?
Sweet tea, please.
Okay.
And then, can I do that fry as a large, actually,
yes,
please?
Sir.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Do you want the drink large as well?
No, that's all right.
Okay. Any sauces for you?
I'm gonna do, can I do one ranch and one of the, do you have like a Chick-fil-A sauce or whatever?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Anything else for you?
That's gonna be it.
All right, it's gonna be $7.30. to be cash or card?
Card.
Okay, you can pay here then.
All right.
There you go, let me get your receipt.
All right.
There you are, so you have a great day.
All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it. You too. Oh, it's so dark for you guys. So dark. Let's see here. Can you see any better now? Yeah, a little bit. Now we're rolling. Now we're rolling. Now we just got to get the food. So I'm gonna wait in this line, which for you guys isn't gonna be no time, but for me, it's kind of not great. So yeah, I'm gonna get my food and then we'll start talking about this insurance cost. So yeah. Meal delivery zone. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get this food. Yes, ma'am.
All right, sweet tea?
Yes, ma'am.
And then this is the rest for you. So everything
All right. Thank you very much. Got our food, boys. Got our food. Make sure they don't hit us. And we are ready to roll. All right, let's go find a parking lot. Let's eat, and we'll talk about insurance right now. All right, so we got Chick-fil-A over there, and then right here, we've got a C6 Corvette, got the R8 obviously, and I kind of been looking for a C6 as like a project car, and so like I was looking at this, but then inside, yeah, I mean, it's an automatic, and like I don't want an automatic, so well, the search continues, but let me know what you guys think. A C6 project car, I think it'd be pretty freaking sweet. But anyway, yeah, let me know. And right as we're about to get out and eat our Chick-fil-A, the famous Andy Pilgrim comes with his Porsche GT3 RS. So just spoke to him a little bit. Really nice guy. But yeah, really sick car too. But let's eat our Chick-fil-A. I'm just saying that I think that like this R8 has not been sat in a parking lot and then the owner eating Chick-fil-A in a random parking lot, in this case Dick's Sporting Goods, and just so you don't eat in the car. I'm pretty sure that's been done before. So whatever, moving on in the vlog. So after eating our Chick-fil-A, like I said, we're sat here in a Bed Bath & Beyond, Dick's Sporting Goods, and a PetSmart parking lot. And we got a noisy motorcycle behind us. But you guys like the real stats, the real figures, and that's exactly what I'm about to give you. Few disclaimers first though. One, my insurance is with State Farm, so that obviously is going to depend person by person based on record and yada yada. And also, where you live is also a big factor, and obviously age, which I am 24 years old, which is part of this video and why you guys are watching it. So, without further ado, let's jump into the real stats and the figures. So, let's show the old R8 over here. I'm going to pull this up on my phone. So let's see here. All right. So we have the R8 there. We have my phone here. We're gonna need to turn up the brightness for you guys. All right. So the real stats, the real figures. Let's get this to go in here. So you have up here 2009 Audi R8. It's not liking to zoom in because of the reflections. Anyway, you can see it. So you come down here and trying to get it for you guys. I'm trying my best. Total premium 682 is 682 and 15, which is right there by my thumb. If you divide that out, that is essentially $114 a month is essentially what I pay, which is $500 deductibles. And 300,000 / 100,000 for property or whatever else. Now obviously I also have multi-car discount because I do have several cars, which plays factor, and then I also have a renter policy which also plays factor in the pricing as well. But at the age of 24, I also have a clean record, no speeding tickets, no accidents, like I said, clean record. And that is what I'm paying, $114 a month for an Audi R8. So, just like that, that is the stats and figures that you guys like. Hope you guys liked today's video, and on that bombshell, we're gonna go ahead and actually end today's video. Please like, please subscribe. You guys have a great day. Peace.